So students, welcome back to S.R.Tutorial. So today I'm going to discuss the format for PL account. Okay. So as we all know that trading account records all the direct expenses. Direct expenses means which are directly related to selling and manufacturing of goods. Suppose laborers wages, then carriage inward, then customs duty, all these are direct expenses. These are directly related to selling and manufacturing of goods and services of a business. Now what does PL account record? PL account records all the indirect expenses related to business. So indirect expenses means the expenses which are incurred and which is not related to trading activity, that is selling and manufacturing of goods. These are indirectly related to the business. Suppose salaries, rent, electricity charges, printing and stationery, telephone charges, traveling expenses, then audit fees, then advertisement, commission, bad debt, discount allowed, loss on sale of assets. So these all are indirect expenses, and these are recorded in the debit side of the PL account. And at the very beginning, that is to gross loss BD transfer. This is a loss which is transferred from trading account. I am not showing you the trading account and PL account format together. Actually, during exams when it comes, it is asked in the question, that to prepare trading and profit and loss account of a business. So at that time trading account is prepared and then profit and loss account is prepared. It may also be asked to simply prepare the trading account, of less marks. So here you have to write to gross loss, and this loss is transferred from trading account. This is debit side and this is credit side. Now here you see on the credit side, what is written at the very beginning? By gross profit BD. So this profit is transferred from where? This profit is transferred from trading account. Then you see discount received is written, commission received is written, then bad debts recovered is written, then profit on sale of assets is written, then by income from other sources is written. And at the last, if it is loss, then loss is transferred. If it is profit, then profit is transferred after totaling all the indirect expenses and indirect incomes. These are indirect incomes. All the indirect expenses and indirect incomes are recorded in the PL account, and direct expenses and direct incomes are recorded in the trading account. So I hope you have understood. You please take down this items. These are very necessary in doing the PL account. So I hope you have understood my explanation. So if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.